Hi everyone, it's Melanie. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I am super excited to do an unboxing with you. It is that time where I have gotten my FabFitFun subscription box. And if you don't know about FabFitFun, it's something that comes every quarter. Honestly, it's a huge value, and I will certainly list the details about the cost. You can save a lot by purchasing, a whole year's worth, meaning 4 boxes. You save a bit there. And they also have really good promotions for like your first box, those kinds of things. But you tend to get amazing self-care products, makeup products, and, just home products as well. They have a really nice variety, and I'm excited to see what's in my box. If you're interested in doing a FabFitFun unboxing with me, then please continue watching, and let's do this. First, let me show you the box. It's really heavy this time, and it's also super bright and colorful. It's their summer box, so I'm pumped to see. It always makes my day when I open these, so here we go. Oh, you guys. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? It has the cutest little blue palm trees. I'm a sucker for blue. Oh, I'm feeling major beach vibes. Beach vibes. So something I forgot that I did, there's oftentimes a sale before you get your box where things are marked down heavily, where you can kind of add on items into your box. I actually picked up a few goodies for Christmas presents and some birthdays on sale, so I'm not going to show you those because some of you watching might be getting those. But anything I picked up for myself, I will show you. Okay, I found something that I picked up for myself. So I got the Holy Frog Kissimmee Vitamin F Therapy Balmy Wash. So this is the really cute little frog here. And it says it will restore and soften, and it's a waterless formula that does the hard work with a soft touch. So when your skin is chronically dry, which I feel like mine is, or just dry right now, you need a wash that won't suck the life out of your already parched face. I'm already loving the packaging and the words that they're saying to me, so this is going well. If you want bouncing, glowing skin that lasts, it all starts with your wash. The wrong one can leave you looking and feeling like dried out paper. We blended together the best moisture preserving ingredients we could find and kept away anything that could potentially disrupt the skin barrier and spur on more dryness. Oh, this is the cutest packaging. So you open it and there's this, I love it when they take the packaging onto the lid. So this is the container here. It's got the little froggies on the inside, but this is the wash here. So I will definitely use this and report back. Give it a try for a couple weeks and then let you know how it goes. The other thing I picked up for myself that I would definitely recommend if you can find these on sale, they smell incredible. So these are the Spongelli, not sure. Beyond cleansing, like body wash buffers. It is a sponge that you hang inside your shower. And so this comes and it's infused with the best smells ever. And they have a whole variety of scents. I originally got one of these in a FabFitFun, and I feel like they've been selling them in the sale ever since. So lots of different scents there. I encourage you to check out the product, see if you like it, but they do last a really long time. And they just have that like body scrub infused into it, so you don't have to squirt stuff onto your loofah. Every FabFitFun comes with this magazine. So this one has Gabby Douglas on staying home and staying connected. It's got kind of how-tos, tips and tricks to use the products in the box. I'm not going to read through it because I like the whole surprise factor of seeing what's in my box, but once you actually use your products, it has that. It has ways to connect, how to follow them on social media. FabFitFun is really about the community, and so they even have like live stream workouts and things that you can do, but just lots of free services and goodies, chats, discussions, recipes. They're really great at their emails and the quality that they send. So this is a fun gift to yourself. Now we must open. Now this is the first box I've seen where it's almost all products. So I don't know that I have as much home stuff, but I've had cheese plates and salt and pepper grinders and shakers and things like that. But this is exciting. So the first thing I am super excited to report about is the Kula Organic Mineral Face Sunscreen. So it is a matte finish, sheer, non-greasy, fast absorbing, SPF 30. And Coola brand sunscreen is great. It's an excellent brand in general, but living in Florida, this is super vital. It is water resistant for 80 minutes, and it is 1.7 fluid ounces. So a nice sized bottle here, and I'm definitely gonna be using this summer. Pretty much all year, given Florida, South Florida. Next is a serum from Grace and Stella. I actually have received some things from Grace and Stella in my Ipsy, which I did a video on kind of the benefits of Ipsy. I'll link it up above. So I had gotten some sample things from them before, so I know Grace and Stella is a really great brand. This is the Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum. This is the packaging here. I take this little plastic off. Try not to ruin my nails. Just painted. So like I mentioned with the Holy Frog, you know, I do tend to have dry skin. So I actually think I selected this one. I have a customization where I can customize, I think, 4 products. And the way it works is that you customize it pretty far in advance from getting it. So a lot of times I forget what I customize and then I get surprised all over again. So the packaging on this bottle is divine. Really just gorgeous. Like, I can't wait to put this on my countertop. And it has a little pump, which I know everyone gets excited. Ooh, everyone gets excited about. The less mess, the better. So it says you just need 2 to 3 drops all over a cleansed neck and face before creams. The little tab here says good choice, winky face. I love that the packages, like, that people are really including this topper as part of the packaging. I think it makes a really good experience for customers. So well done, Grace and Stella. Ooh. Okay, this is the same brand as the loofah I was talking about. Actually, I gotta learn how to say if it's the Spongelle or Spongel. It is a signature hand cream that will help soothe, nourish, and hydrate your hands and cuticles. So it's coconut and verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia oil, and argan oil. So I love hand creams. I know everyone's hands have been getting super dry with all the sanitizer and just working in the dental field, constantly using the hand sanitizer, and I love a hand cream to keep in my bag, so I'm excited. I know I customized this. So in one of my recent videos, I actually was talking about my dear friend Shelby, who has beautiful lashes, and I think I asked you guys if anyone uses any of the lash serums or anything like that. So I actually customized to get the Lashes MD eyebrow, like, it's an eyelash and eyebrow conditioner, and this is the box here. But I have used this one before, and so I know it works. But it is this little bottle here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I'm gonna use it later. You have this little paintbrush here. You just brush it on your eyelids, you brush it into your eyebrows, and it's supposed to stimulate, you know, lash and brow hair growth. So I'm super pumped about this. I would love to hear if you have any recommendations for different brands on that. I'm still looking to see, you know, how to get my lashes fuller and longer. I think that's the goal, and I don't really wear a ton of fake eyelashes. I'm kind of just a natural lash kind of girl, and I love mascara. So yeah, comment down below if you have any good recommendations. I customized this one. Woo! So I picked the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. So I have heard amazing things about this. Let's just like give her a little smell test, right? Oh, that is not what I was expecting from a shampoo. It has a very like light perfume scent, like very floral, very, I mean, it smells like I just sprayed myself with a perfume. That's exciting. I'm super pumped that they put the shampoo and conditioner together as an option. And I'm kind of one of those people that I love my Ride or Dies for shampoo. I love the Briogeo, you know, shampoo and conditioner. And I really like to switch my shampoos out. So I think my hair gets bored, just like we get bored with makeup and things like that. Like, my hair gets bored. And so I have Tresemme. I was really excited to see this was an option. I think my hair needs you. I would love to know what your favorite shampoos are. So if you have a good recommendation for volume and, just dryness, I live in a very humid climate and sometimes my hair goes through a beating. So if you have a suggestion for shampoo and conditioner, please comment down below and let me know. So this one is a little atypical for me. So this is the Tarocco, I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly, Tarocco foot cream. It is Sicilian blood oranges is the scent, but I don't tend to do a ton of feet creams, but I do think that, again, being in Florida, wearing sandals, beaches, that kind of stuff, I do want to kind of take care of my feet a little better. I was a ballerina for 24 years, so my feet have been through it, if you know what I mean. I will definitely give this a try. It says it was discovered by my great-grandfather in Sicily. Family uses this wonderful fruit in the same way we use everything from our lands, internally and externally. Thank you for entrusting us with your beauty. Warmest thoughts. And arrivederci. Well, that's super sweet. I'm half Italian as well. This sounds like it would be super fun to put on my feet and then have a foot rub. Am I right? Who doesn't love a good foot rub? Yes, please. We had 2 things left. So this is the Terra Mere, not sure. I'm gonna go with, this is the Terra Mere Aloe and Tea Tree Toner. So this is supposed to be an anti-aging toner. I have always heard that tea tree is really good for your skin. Like you guys know, I'll link above my VIB haul, my first video. I ordered the Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. I've really been loving that. I love the scent, I love what it's doing, and I love how it's helping my skin. I think I actually selected this because I wanted to see how, I do love aloe and a tea tree toner. That's a tongue twister. Work together and kind of how it is. This is a massive bottle. It is almost the size of my face. So I don't know how I'm gonna use all this, but it says it's a genius formula of our aloe and tea tree toner, clean beauty ingredients. They work to soothe and tone the skin, correct imperfections, and slough away dead skin cells to give you a fresh-faced and radiant glow. This sounds fancy, so I will let you know. I'm probably going to continue with my Ole Henriksen right now, but then I'm going to give this a good solid try and see how it does, because I don't want to age. I don't want to age. I want my skin to look glowy and young. Last item is from Winky Lux. So it is actually an eyebrow pencil. Winky Lux always has really cute packaging. Can we just give Winky Lux a high five for their packaging? It's the Universal Brow Pencil. Again, with the tab, I love that people are doing this. It says, in a winky world, I love that people are putting so much stuff on the top, that they're really maximizing their packaging, and I like to see. That's what I like to see. So it says it's a universal shade. Is it though? Is it Winky Lux? Okay. It has a firm texture, triangle-shaped artist tip, custom spoolie, and magically works on all brow shades. Flexible application, natural and polished look. Spoolie. That looks pretty dark, huh? Well. Universal shade, Winky Lux. I'm just saying. So I think that this is a little dark for me. My eyebrows do tend to run a completely different color than my hair. So I will try and see if I can make it work, but I just think this is looking a little brown. So here's hoping that you can put the right amount of pressure on, that it doesn't really appear too noticeable, but I will report back and let you know. I think that's it for my unboxing, you guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the things that come in a FabFitFun. Definitely check out other YouTubers' videos. I know there were lots of add-ons that people could choose, and like I said, I'm keeping some of them a secret because some of them are presents for you. But I think it's really worth the bang for your buck. It is a treat, it is a splurge, but it comes 4 times a year, and it's something that I personally really look forward to. It's like someone curates a box of things that I'm going to be interested in, and very rarely do I get something that I really dislike. So If you like it, give it a shot. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Ring the bell so you get notifications for when I'm posting. I post every Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday, and have really just been loving meeting new people and sharing my thoughts on things and products and doing get ready with me's, and it's just been such fun. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.